Ready to unlock the secrets of timeless style and design your own captivating plaid patterns? First, let's explore the fundamental elements of plaid, which include horizontal and vertical stripes of varying widths and colors, woven together to create a unique, intersecting design. I'll use Adobe Illustrator, but you can adapt these techniques to other design software. Start by creating a series of horizontal and vertical rectangles. Experiment with different widths and colors to achieve your desired stripe pattern. Now, arrange these rectangles so they overlap and intersect. Remember, the magic of plaid comes from the interplay of these stripes. Group your horizontal and vertical stripes separately. Next, duplicate your horizontal and vertical stripe groups and precisely align them to create a seamless, repeating pattern. Pay close attention to alignment to avoid any jarring visual breaks. Time to experiment with color. Try different color combinations to achieve a variety of moods and styles. Consider complementary colors, analogous colors, or even a monochromatic scheme. Define your design as a pattern in your software. This will allow you to easily apply your custom plaid to any shape or object. Finally, unleash your creativity. Apply your unique plaid patterns to clothing designs, graphic elements, or even interior design mock-ups. The possibilities are endless. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more design tutorials.